Hey y'all, so I know you see everybody's talking about done for you digital products, and basically a done for you digital product is a product that's already made for you. You do not have to create your product from scratch, and that's what I do. I love doing it. It's the easiest way to start making money instead of spending time wasted trying to create the perfect digital product. So if that's something that you're interested in, but you have no idea what product to sell or where to even find these products from, then keep watching this video because I have exactly what you need. If you go to the top of my page and click the link in my bio, scroll down until you get to the Ultimate Canva Vault. That package comes with over 300 digital products for you to edit and resell. They're already done for you. You don't have to do anything but change the name, change the color, change the fonts to fit your brand. But in this product, it comes with over 300 digital products, and it's planners, journals, trackers, lists, calendars. I mean, the list goes on and on. And for any niche, so with whatever niche you are in, there's products in here for you to sell to your audience, okay? It's multiple pages of product, and all these lists that I'm scrolling past, all of these are digital products, okay? And even included in this bundle is ebooks. So if you've been wanting to teach people how to do digital marketing, affiliate marketing, all type of ebooks, all kinds of ebooks are in here, and you can sell them. And also a good thing, social media templates, but also a good thing is, y'all, you can offer your customers a freebie, right? A lot of my customers is like, they don't know what to sell for their freebie or give away for their freebie. And this product, you can choose any of these products for a freebie for your customers, okay? And like I said, they're already done for you. Over 300. Y'all, I'm still scrolling. So this is a perfect package for you to get starting out. And you know what? This is just an idea, but with this product, you can sell these products individually and be a digital product vendor. So people who've been wanting to get into selling digital products, but they don't know what to sell, you can sell them individually in your store, or you can sell them in a package like I do. And you can just be a digital product vendor. You know what I mean? You can sell each one of these products for like $10, $7. I mean, I don't know, whatever price you want to. And that's bank, and it's affordable, y'all. And I take payment plans on all my products. So yeah, I'm still scrolling. This is the perfect package for you to start out with, and it's called the Ultimate Canva Vault in my bio. Okay, I love y'all. Bye.